Hi Surang sir, good morning.
Hi Sandusha, very good morning.
Sir, is this your online studio?
Yes, this is my online studio.
Wow, this is a very nice studio.
Thank you very much, Sandusha.
Sir, tell me something about your online studio.
Of course, why not?
Okay, sir, how do you do your online classes?
Right, okay. I will tell you how do I do my online classes. This is the whiteboard. When I do classes, I have to use this whiteboard because I have to write everything on this whiteboard now. Then when I write something on this board, the students can see those everything via this camera. But now you can't see the real camera here because it is in another class. Now I have used a small web camera, but now you can see that here. Then when I teach on this board, then those everything can be seen via this camera. Okay, then when I do some interviews, so I have to use this place because I have to get some oral tests. So then I have to take those oral test interviews here. Then that is the place where the coordinator is. When I do classes, he has to be there and he has to identify everything because when there is an error, he has to show those everything. So now you can see small two chairs there. I use those two chairs when some students come to meet me, they can sit there and so they can ask, they can meet me. Okay, so I will show you one of my some of my certificates. This is also one of the certificates who I donate to the students who follow my courses, and I donate these certificates right after following my English course. Right, I think you know the name of my English college. It is SSEA. That means Suranga Senanayaka English Academy.
Okay, sir. Sir, is this a condenser mic?
Yes, why not? This is a condenser mic.
Wow, good. Sir, why do you have used black curtains?
I think others colors are not matching for a studio. That's why I decided to use black curtains to my studio. Yes, because I think that is the best color for a studio. That is my choice, but I don't know right it's good or not. But I think the black curtains is very nice for a studio. Yes.
Okay, sir. So, what is this?
Yes. You asked about the green screen.
Yeah.
Right. Of course. This is the green screen. When I do some videos, I can use this green screen. Right.
Okay.
So I can do all my videos in front of this green screen. Then I can edit everything now. Yes. So I think this is the best place to do my videos. When I do some videos, right, for my YouTube and for other things, so I use this right green screen to do my all videos. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
When there isn't any video, so I cover right everything from this black curtain. Yes, because it is not necessary now. So this is my comfortable lab room. I think right it is small, but I have arranged everything very nicely. Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, what do you have to tell your new students?
Right. Okay. That's a good question. Thank you very much for asking that question. Yes, Sandusha. Actually, right. I have taught number of students in Sri Lanka. Yes, I did the classes in Nugagode Rotary, Macharinaro, Kalutara Vishwadi, Ragama Excellence Sipwe, and Moravak Sipwe, Denia Sip City. Right now, I can do number of classes right in this place. Why? Because I have to do online classes now. Now some students join to my class from foreign countries also because of this wonderful place here. So actually, I'm lucky to have a chance like this because I have number of students from from the island, not only from the island, from all the countries. So I think I'm lucky. So I invite my all new students to join my course. If you want to know something about me, you can visit my page right? You can search as Suranga Senanayaka, or I have another page also, Suranga Senanayaka English Academy. So you can go to our page, and so you can visit us, and so you can contact us and you can get any information, because I do my course from A to Z. If you join to my English course, I promise to improve your spoken ability.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much for visiting my online lab, Sadusha.
Okay.